Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Hayi, hi le Giyani la towards side ra Malamulele le mi vona ku le le ka T junction or kambeni it's not the T junction ne hi le ka four-way stop yo ya ka Siyandhani. So nakona ka Siyandhani ta hi khiya. So no vona ndhawu leyi ni yaka yona yi kha yi trenda strong. I was like ta ze ya vona Master Two ku ndleka yini. So kahle update ya namuntlha vhele vhele hi ta hi khiya hi vulavula hi ndhawu yaliya mi yi vonaku ya welcome to Giyani lomu khamisiwa ka Malamulele. Even then from there ta tlhe ya khavhara mhaka ya Giyani airport hi kota ku vona ku ku famba hi loko sala yini da as you can see ma swona tshava mangombe liyani hikwalaho ku ze ku ri kule lomu ma ha kusuka nyana ka ka four-way stop entolo ti T-junction lomu ma ha kusuka nyana ka four-way stop yo suka ka Siyandhani as you can see le va mi kha mi suka le va mi kha mi suka le. So hiko ndhawu ya kona of course hi ya ka yona hi kota ku vona ku ku famba hi loko sala hina mi tiraka leyi nge ni disturb ke. So ndhawu ya kona of course leyi nga peyintiwa la ya green as you can see. So hi lava ku vona vhele vhele hi vona ku ku nga kha ku famba yini ivi ku kha ku sala yini mara ku kha ya develop ndhawu ya kha ya develop na ha ri ma swi vona ku busy but I'm not sure if it's a farm or what mara kona we can see ku ri it's very busy here. Mara mhaka leyi so T junction inani ya kona hi le mi yi vona ku welcome to Giyani ya hina leyi nga ku trendeni leswi endlaku yi trend is because of the buildings leti kumeka ku ti ri close by. Mara mhaka leyi ti-building leti nga close by hi to ti endla ku ndhawu leyi va yi kha yi trenda because ku na this thing green thing here and then ku na ti-building la tlhelo. So leswi hi lavaka ku va hi kha hi swi langutisa sweswo because there's ma yi vona green ya hina hi leyiwa and then loko kha hi langutisa the other side we can see ku ri after this welcome to green thing here ni zama ku va ni kha ni yi capture after this welcome to Giyani ku na a building leyi nga ku akiweni close by as you can see. So leswi nga ndliseni ka swona so hakona it's not AI a ku ze ku ri AI a swo editiwa a swo editiwa ndhawu leyi loko akiwi as you can see. So welcome to Giyani leyi na ku zama ku yi khatanyana yi huma kahle la so welcome to Giyani leyi and then loko hi chekisa vhele ha swi vona ku ku na an area vhele vhele yi nga ku akiweni on the left as you can see. So it's not AI a swo editiwa it's not edited a ku swi vona ku vhele vhele ku ri welcome to Giyani leyi and then the building hi leyi hi vona ku nyana la ka left la ku nga busy blind. So building ya kona hi leyi hi vona ku la a ni hikwala so mi kuma ku va yi kha yi akiwa kwala tlhelo so ni twisi ku why it's like this and obvious ku hava ku heta ku swi associated na welcome to Giyani ku twisisa ka mina. So I don't know ku hi mina ku what's happening yeah but kona ku busy as you can see na ri ndhawu ku akiwa something mara swi kombi na ku si ndhawu leyi yi nga va yi yimeni nyana because khale ni kha ni yi monitor a ni kona ni nga tivi ku ni ta report ku a njhani hikuva swi nga ri ku trendeni but since ri ku trendeni we can now come and report. So ndhawu ya kona hi yale so I don't know guys ku endleka yini update yale I think it's enough, it's more than enough hi mi nyikeni update so live and stuff like that swi nga ku endlise ka swona. So a ri edi ku xaniseki what's happening maybe swi associated we never know maybe it's connected na dieting leyi because a swi make sense ku while on our left ku va ku na dieting maybe it's connected ku xaniseki ku nga kha ku endleka yini and stuff like that. But welcome to Giyani leyi as you can see and then here's the building so a ri so our place leyi a yi sasekini as you can see leyi it looks beautiful or ngo va ni close nyana kota ku vona the information. So loko ku tsariweni ku environmental affairs yeah as you can see and then expanded public works program and then very indalo yethu South African Environmental Agency. So leswo so leswi nga swona and stuff like that here as you can see so very that hi suka manjeni ya ka Siyandhani and stuff like that hey so this way loko va hi suka we can see ku ri mavona loko va ni khamiseka ka Malamulele mutiya and then swi va swi ri le ka green a ku editiwangi nchumu lexi lowu kha misiwaka Malamulele, not the other one yo va kha misiwaka hi le vo Joni ne sayiti ra Malamulele ku editiwaka nchumu, it's not AI. So ni ta kombela mi share na vanhu loko ni vona vo tala va kha va kombisa ku they think it's AI, it's not AI. Sherelani vanhu va kota ku swi vona ku swilo leswa swo editiwa hi le ka Master Tiller. So sweswi vhele ta case hi suka hi ya ka Siyandhani, hi kota ku vona ku update yi ri yini le live September yaleyi, yeah. Yeah, so hi, we are back. Nyama, like I say, and as you can see, Tanujundala already my tiva, Ixoka Guyana. Again, it's from this side, even Kamea side, Ravuma, over Mingana, stuff like that. So if you can, I'm checking due to the popular demand, just to see what's happening. So both already I cut in, is this one. Like both already I cut in Akana issue and show and stuff like that. So those popular demand when I figure the comments though, we're gonna have 1, 2 or 3 comments. They got 3 business shown. So we are basically here to update the one and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do repeat because I'm the same like layout your video clip. If you want the previous one, I come see Nandelo you both the on your left, right, on your right, and stuff like that. So yeah, very very so yeah. Just to see an update after what's very 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 local yeah, was see and then come see no ku hi sayiti ra vona a va lava ku stopiwa and stuff like that mona mhaka leyi. So swo leswi vanhu va nga swi va fika ku comment loko hi update hi vona ku what's happening and stuff like that. Ku very very swi clear ku vo ku lwisiweni ko mhaka ku ya tikanyana leswi ni ta ku yi tika mhaka leswi because leswi ndhawu a yi tshikiwini a ku nga na ti-arguments ta nchumu and mi kuma ku ndhawu yi va yi nga ri ku tirheni wena mhaka leyi. And then loko se va fika va yi utilize vona hosi and then mi kuma ku se ve le ku lwisiweni mavona. So issue leyi kahle kahle hi nga vula ku yi kona and stuff like that wena mhaka leyi. So yeah, we're basically here. So very very a sa ku sunguriwa ku cleaniwa and stuff like that. So loko va fika va stopiwa swi vhete swi stopa swo cleana stuff like that. So as far as I'm concerned, I don't think for now after n'hweti leyi nga hundza very very ku ve na a progress hi ku vona ka mina loko kha I don't think ku ve na a progress hi ku twisisa ka mina ever since ku tlileriweni sweswiya na ku ndhawu yo tala a yi tlierekeni leswiya. So yeah, so update yaleyo guys, it looks like a ni voni ku ri na improvement va ha ri ku lwisiweni swinene ku ya tika mhaka ya kona hi ku ku tlhe ku nghena vhevhe na timhaka ta ti-legal matters. So swi endla ku mhaka ku yi va complicated to solve ma yona mhaka leyi. So at the same time loko ku ri himpela a va swi lava ku hosi Siyandhani like va continue, I feel like va lava va lwisaka a fika va ta continue, you see phela hi n'wana ti-aspects leti hi fike hi ti langutisa teto ku ri yes ha swi twa ku va stopiwa but if that's the case a ku endliwe a way forward. You see a way forward ya kona very very ku nga ku since va stopiwa ku va ku ri na lava very very va improvaku ndhawu as such very very. So hi ku langutisa we can see ku ri ku ku na any form of improvement by far. So swi loko hi ta hambi hi teka maybe a month and stuff like that. Na loko ni tshika ni hindini hi sayiti ra ni ngo hindza ni cheka njhe ni vona ku if ku na improvement or ka njhani but ni nga endli video and stuff like that, you see. So yeah, na mikondzo ya movha yi tshama yi tele ku tshama ku ri busy, vanhu vo tala va tshama va ri ku teni hikuva ka na hi ti-content creators. So I get it. So unfortunately I have no words guys, I have no words ku na n'wina ma swi vona ku swi ti komba ku nga ri na progress as such. Ma nga vula ta swin'wana to famba njhe mi kha mi vona the place as if ni vulavula ngopfu ni. So we don't see any form of a progress as far as I'm concerned. yeah, ko leswi ni swi vonisaka swona, I don't see any progress. Swa xikontiri already khala ku ri kona, so the next aspect vhela ku ri ku clean-a and then kota ku sungula ku pimapima like even the project, so we cannot see such. So your update ya kona yaleyo guys, like hi laviyo ku hayi ku langutisa u khensi ku ri va yimisiwile mpela. Leswi vavaka swinene because after tisanhluvuko, after tisanhluvuko mintirho yi ta yi kha yi humahuma, na lavo transporta swilo mintirho a va ta yi kuma around the area vhele. Hikuva loko pfula machini yi tala swi swi tekiwa swilo leswi a mi ta kuma vanhu va tibakibaki na vona va kuma mintirho, na va rhwala na lava pfunetaka ti-assistant na vona va ta kota ku va kha va kuma mintirho and stuff like that. So as far as I'm concerned, I don't see ku ri there's an improvement or anything, as you can see. So yeah, it stopped hala ndzeni hala video ku if mi lava ku nghena mi fika hala ndzeni hala ni tshame ni endla a video. If you lava, I nga ku chela link on top comment. So yeah, as far as I'm concerned, a swi tikomba ku ri na an improvement, as you can see. So yeah, ndhawu already like already na a hi tiva, ndhawu already a hi tiva. So unfortunately there is no progress, as you can see. So no, ni sound like Boy Sevenza, so ni nga ta sound like Boy Sevenza. A hi tshikiseni sweswi. Ku tihomu vhele ti nga busy, as you can see, ti nga ku thyakiseni ka ndhawu. Hi leswi nga xona. So hi, a redzi guys. Yeah, loko ku ri a mi nge zangi subscribe a ni ta kombela mi click subscribe. I think we are done hi leswo.